Hello, I am Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will write a model essay number 5. This is video number 2, part 2. I have already written introduction in first body paragraph. Rest of the essay I will write in this video. As you know, this is essay writing course in general for any English essay and in particular for IELTS and TOEFL exams. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Press bell icon and subscribe to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. My vocabulary and grammar courses are already on my YouTube channel, and nowadays I am working on writing. So subscribe to my channel, press bell icon to get more videos. This is an overview of my essay writing course. As you can see, I have started from 4 writing criteria. Then I would go for time management, how to plan, how to generate ideas, paraphrasing, how to write introductions, how to write conclusion, write in topic sentences, types of essays, and many more videos. Then I would go for each type of essay. We are nowadays discussing first type of essay, then I would discuss other essays also, other types also. I would write more than 15 model essays in my course. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. I would write a complete model essay and explain you everything step by step. I would intentionally make some mistakes in the essay to test your knowledge and to teach you the errors. At the end, I would correct the mistakes and explain you in detail. This was the writing task. Completing university education is thought by some to be the best way to get a job. On the other hand, other people think that getting experience and developing soft skills is more important. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. This was opinion 1 and opinion 2. I have these are brainstorming. I have brainstormed and generated ideas. I have agreed with opinion 1. I have already written opinion 2 in my first body paragraph, and I am going to write opinion 1 in my second body paragraph that I have agreed with. Opinion 2, I have ideas that universities impart both knowledge and there are also chances of practice. So this is not only a give theoretical knowledge, and by there are some professions where a degree or education is must, like doctors, engineers, lawyers. So I will expand on these ideas. This is my introduction, and this is my first body paragraph. I have already written them. So now I would move to second body paragraph. As you know, first and second body paragraph are opposite to each other, different opinions. So I would start with a transition signal. I would link the first body paragraph with second body paragraph with on the other hand. On the other hand, I side with those who believe. Then I have to write a topic sentence. Topic is a sentence is just like news headlines. This is the main idea of the whole body paragraph. So I would like some sentence that reflects the complete body paragraph. The body paragraph is about completing a university education. So I would write something like that. I side with those who believe that getting higher education or improving someone's qualification by completing university education is the best way to get a job. I side with those who believe that improving one's qualification by completing university education is the best way to get a job. Now I have to expand on. I have to present my first idea in this body paragraph. This is a topic sentence. My first idea was, let us look what was my first idea. Uh, Universities give both knowledge and practice, and second is some professions need a degree, doctors and nurses. So instead of repeating again and again firstly and secondly, I would not write this one. I would start directly by completing education. You can say tertiary education also, or so university education. Then I would go for a complex sentence. Not only a person gets more knowledge of a subject, but instead of using he or she again and again, we can use they. We can replace he or she with they. But they also develop soft skills in an educational institution. Institution. Okay. By completing education, not only a person gets more knowledge of a subject, but they also develop soft skills in an educational institution. How? Because when he is there in the university, he is in interaction with his colleagues and teachers, and they learn from each other, and apart from theoretical knowledge of books. When someone is studying a subject, sorry, is studying a subject in university, they can learn from his teachers as well as colleagues. So I have extended my first idea. My first idea, by completing education, not only a person gets more knowledge of a subject, but they also develop soft skills in an educational institution. When someone is studying a subject in a university, they can learn from each other, from his teachers as well as colleagues. Then instead of using again and again furthermore and these are I can use a simple transition signal also, as I'm going to the next idea. Also, for some jobs, a university education A university degree is the most important criteria for securing a post. Is the most important criteria for securing a post. For instance, I'm going to give example of doctors and lawyers or engineers. Doctors and engineers 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 doctors and engineers with higher qualifications mostly get better jobs. For doctors and engineers uh, with higher qualifications mostly get better jobs. In this way, pursuing an educational career would lead to more opportunities to get a better job. In this way, pursuing an educational career would lead to more opportunities to get a better job. Instead of better job is here, I am using again better jobs. Let us change. Let us use only job to get a job. Now my second body paragraph is complete. On the other hand, I side with those who believe that improving one's qualification by completing university education is the best way to get a job. By completing education, not only a person gets uh, more knowledge of a subject, but they also develop soft skills in an educational institution. When someone is studying a subject in university, they can learn from each other, from his teachers as well as colleagues. Also, for some jobs, a university degree is the most important criteria for securing a post. For instance, doctors and engineers with higher qualifications mostly get better jobs. Uh, In this way, pursuing an educational career would lead to more opportunities to get a job, to get a better job, or to get a job. Now we have to write conclusion. For conclusion, we first of all transition signal, like in conclusion, in summary, something like that. Then in I have to summarize main ideas, and then I have to give my restate my own opinion. And in this we use in conclusion, and as you know, we discuss both sides. ऐसे we usually use this formula, although for conclusion, although plus opposite opinion. In other words, not in the same words as the introduction. You can use although, or you can use while, any kind of concession. Then my opinion, my side, the side I agreed with, then therefore comma my opinion, restatement of my opinion. While while skipping education in favor of work can lead to faster promotions, getting a higher education is getting a higher education is critical in gaining deep knowledge. In conclusion, while skipping education in favor of work can lead to faster promotions, this is main idea of my opinion one. In this case, getting a higher opinion to opposite opinion, getting a higher education is critical. I would so critical, no, essential. It is essential in gaining, no, to gain, is essential to gain deep knowledge that is which is required for well paid jobs, therefore I believe getting a university or completing university education is the best way of is the best way to secure to secure uh, a high profile job. This is my conclusion, and this is my first and second body paragraph. After this, let us delete this. After writing a complete essay, you should have at least 3 to 5 minutes to proofread your 3 to 5 in IELTS and 2 to 3 minutes in TOEFL to proofread your. What we do in proofreading, we will read quickly for common errors, for example punctuation, tenses, spelling mistakes, subject verb agreement errors, and fragments of sentences, and other vocab or grammar mistakes. Okay, let us proofread. The ultimate goal of a common man is to earn a livelihood by getting education. While some believe that personal experience and skills are more important in securing a job, I side with those who are of the opinion that finishing university education is the best way to achieve this goal. That is fine. There is no to achieve this goal. This is referencing, and if you don't know what is referencing, go to the playlist of my channel, and in my grammar course there is a complete video on referencing. On the other hand, some people argue in favor of gaining more experience and soft skills to secure a job. That is fine. Firstly, they feel people who start their career early by getting a first hand experience of a subject benefit in the long run. Not only they start, as I am using not only but also, I am using inversion here, so I have to use inversion with first part of where I have used not only. Not only they start, so this is like a positive sentence. This is not an inversion. I have to use inversion. Not only, inversion is like a question sentence. If you don't know what is inversion, go to the my grammar course and you can watch a complete video on inversion. Not only do they start earning earlier, but they also get more promotions later in their career. This is the reason why one should prefer acquiring practical experience. This is the reason why one should prefer acquiring practical experience after an initial basic education in a subject rather than pursuing long-term education. What is the problem here in this sentence? This one, use of hyphen. This is compound adjective used before noun, who you have to use hyphen. If you don't know how to use hyphen, when to use hyphen, go to playlist of my channel, watch my grammar course, and there is a complete class on how to use hyphen. Secondly, many employers place more emphasis on personal qualities and soft skills, such as dealing with customers, managing specific situations, and general behavior. In this way, people who focus more on these qualities by acquiring more first-hand experience would be in an advantageous position when applying for those jobs. That is fine. On the other hand, I side with those who believe that improving one's qualification by completing university education is the best way to get a job. That is fine. By completing education, or not only, here the same problem. Not only I am using not only, I have to use inversion. Here it is gets first singular form of verb, so I will use does. Not only does a person get, no, I will change this to get. Not only does a person get more knowledge of a subject, but they also develop soft skills in an educational institution. When someone is studying a subject, in when we use if you don't know what is inversion, go to playlist of my channel and watch complete video in my grammar course on inversion. When someone is studying a subject in university, they, I am using they because for he or she we use they. We can replace them with they. We don't know what the person someone is, he or she, so we use they. They can learn from his teachers. No, there is bad referencing. Go to playlist of my channel and watch how we use referencing. This is bad referencing. We are referring to someone, but we are using here the pronoun they, so we have to use their. They can learn from their teachers as well as colleagues. Also, for some jobs, a university degree is the most important criteria for securing a post. For instance, doctors and engineers with higher qualifications mostly get better jobs. In this way, pursuing an educational career would lead to more opportunities to get a job. In conclusion, while skipping education in favor of work can lead to faster promotions, getting a higher education is essential to gain deep knowledge which is required for well-paid jobs. And here is problem, for well-paid job we will use hyphen, well hyphen paid. There is a complete video on how to use hyphen in my grammar course. Therefore, I believe completing university education is the best way to secure a high profile job. That is fine, no problem. So at the end, if you after watching my complete course, essay writing course, you will be able to write a very good essays, but don't take your exam before getting some writing corrections for any IELTS expert, preferably from any English native teacher. That should be IELTS expert, not any English teacher. And I am not forcing you to get my correction service, but you must get writing corrections feedback on your writings before your exam. I would, instead of just wasting your money on taking the test again and again, I would advise you to invest money on your skills, on your feedbacks, and on your learning. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK and a native English teacher preferably. We would both work together to provide you an advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group. This is my Facebook ID, and my link to my Facebook group is given below in the description box. So you can send me a friend request, you can ask me any question, and you can join my Facebook group for any updates, and I will post many important things there in my Facebook group also. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Also my vocabulary and grammar courses are already on my YouTube channel. Nowadays I am working on writing, so subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on all of these topics. Thank you very much. Thank you.